This is the bottom out of one of those. I took a lot of the motors and stuff off already. It's a bottom off of one of those. What are they? Those lazy boy chairs that actually lift people up out of the. Lift them. They actually come right up, so the person doesn't have to get out of the seat themselves. The chair kind of gets them out. My son's gonna take that whizzer over there, that grinder, and he's gonna peel these hunks of aluminum. We tried everything. If you can see, we tried snipping it and hammering and all kinds of stuff trying to get them off. And he's just gonna use that whizzer. It's gonna whiz them right off there. And that's really what I wanted to show you today. So there you go. Ready? Do it. Why don't you just whiz that? Why don't you just take that metal off of there? Oh. Will it go through that part right there?
Sure.
Hold on there. I want to show him. See that whizzer? That whizzer just slices right through that thing. And it'd make it a whole lot easier to pop that bad boy right off there. I think he's going to grab something and knock that right off there. Knock that piece of steel. Yes. There. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, maybe we do... Okay, I see what you're doing there. Hey, tough guy. This is a redneck boy, by the way, just so you know. There he is. The redneck boy. Everybody can see him. Alright, let's see some sparks flying out. Yeah! Look at them balloon sparks flying. Nice. You can cut that thing right off of there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Hot. It's hot. And you gotta be careful with that. That's hot. Well, I don't recommend anybody else try this at home. Oh yeah. Yeah, we should be. He just pulled that right out of there. Then he popped that out. Now we still got a piece right there. There's one of those. There's another one there. Hey, how'd you make out? And you need a big screwdriver, and we do have a bigger hammer. Just we haven't got to it. We haven't decided that we need to get to that point.
And I just trashed.
Oh, we just tore the blade up. Okay, well, you get the idea of what we're trying to do there. We just got to get a new blade. That was an old blade we were going to replace anyway. We just used it up. So, thanks for checking out the video. Hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and have a great day.